Hi guys, we're playing the Resident Evil 4 demo, and for your chance to win a Fuggler, let me know in the comments what's your favorite horror game to play. 5 Fugglers to give away. Whoop whoop!
About this, Tanya's absolutely amazing. Tanya is a very, very talented ventriloquist. Please make sure you go fam Tanya. Give her some love and support, everybody. Here she is, everybody. Here's Princess Tanya.
I can tell she loves to go shop. She's all out of control. She can't stop. Designer clothes, jewels, hair. She's throwing money everywhere. My head is spinning. Oh, 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 oh. She's a princess. She's a princess. Modern day princess.
Hi guys, in today's video we're going to show you where the secret key is to open a chest in Resident Evil 4 chainsaw demo. Right guys, the first thing you have to do is discard everything in your inventory. Now go into your inventory, discard everything. And that will open the well. Now you've got to sneak round to the well. Now you've got to sneak round to the well, and now the well will be opened. Oh wow. Well, you could try and sneak round to the well. Once you've opened the well, inside you'll find the TMP, some bullets, and a kitchen knife. So pick up all these. Now we're going to show you the house where the locked chest is. And then we're going to show you where to find the key. Bruh! Oh yeah, they knock you off the ladder. Okay, yeah, they grab you off that ladder, boy. Right, we're going to show you where the house is, where the chest is. For the missing key. Use your house, mate, use your house.
I don't have any.
You don't have any health?
No.
Just get to the house where the key is. So we're going to show you where the chest is, then we're going to show you where to get the key. So here's the chest, okay? So what you need to do now to get the key is go back and find the secret police car. I'm going to show you that now. Right, okay guys, here is where you find the key. Go. This is where you find the key, guys. Inside the secret police car, around the other side and get the key. And it's easy as that, guys. Go around the other side and get the key. That's as easy as that.
Oh, 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 she's a princess. She's a princess, modern day princess.